Introducing our new RS Sync mobile app. Inventory and procurement management, data capture, plus dashboard access on the go. Built from the ground up, RS Sync Mobile is designed for speed, simplicity, and total visibility, helping you streamline operations wherever the job takes you. Here's 4 ways our new RS Sync mobile app can transform your inventory operations. Built-in SnapPart data capture slashes data collection time by 50%, while ensuring 100% accuracy. Perfect for storeroom operatives. Marketplace empowers users to search, browse, and order MRO items, all from their mobile and at RS Integrated Supplies negotiated prices. Inventory management now happens wherever you are. Handle reservations, transfers, even cycle counts, all within the mobile app. With dashboards and reports, users gain full visibility into the MRO supply chain, from spend analysis to material consumption, giving you the insight you need to make informed decisions. One app, all the power of RS Sync and SnapPart technology, reimagined for speed, mobility, and insight. Book your consultation today at rsintegratedsupply.com.